Hi everyone, my name is Melissa Reed. I am the founder of the Orange Ribbon Club and North Carolina Certified Peer Support Specialist. Today I want to talk to you about how you can use our DesPaks, also known as de-escalation packs, in your schools. So de-escalation pack is an early intervention method. It is not to be confused with a reward system. It is an early intervention to get children to calm down or de-escalate from whatever undesired behaviors they are having at that time. A lot of schools are not prepared for crisis intervention for children who have mental health needs, such as autism, ADHD, ODD. So we have prepared packs to help in situations that need immediate help and can help de-escalate in times of crisis. So if you've been provided a de-escalation pack, they probably look something like this with our early packs. We're working on getting some orange ones to reflect our Orange Ribbon Club, of course. But your early intervention pack probably looks something like this. It says, obviously you have great taste. Now the major player in this pack is going to be your Stop, Think, and Decide module. This is a major module that we've designed to help the de-escalation process. Now it's not going to be the very first thing that the student or child notices. The first thing they're probably going to notice is going to be either a big blanket. If it's a school-age child, K through probably 5th grade, they're probably going to notice a big comfy blanket, and that's going to be a security blanket because a lot of times that can help with immediate calm down, especially with a child who is struggling with sensory. A soft blanket can help in those times of de-escalation. Another thing that they may notice first may be the stuffed animals that we have in there, generally something small like this, that's going to help them with either sensory or security to help them feel safe and secure, because sometimes they've been triggered by something and they're no longer in their safety zone, and something just as simple as a stuffed animal can help them bring themselves back down and recenter. Another thing that they'll notice is going to be something that's going to be sensory based, like beads or squishy toys. A lot of our de-escalation packs have sensory toys like these, and these are going to be in all of the sensory, the de-escalation packs, no matter what grade level or age the child is in. These are going to be something that the child can fidget with to help them recenter themselves, which is the ultimate goal, is to get them distracted from whatever behavior that they're having, that undesired behavior, and back to a place where we can communicate with them and figure out what happened and how we can help. In addition to the sensory beads or sensory toys, usually something like a puzzle will have the squishy balls, of course, or a sensory ball that has prongs on it, something they can roll to fidget with. We'll also have something like markers or crayons or highlighters, and these will be in the form of little booklets. Right now we have just simple booklets, but we're working on some major booklets in the future. This is just a print off. You probably can't see it very well, but this is just a print off of the ones that are currently in there. We've cut them out and made little tiny booklets for now, just so that they can color and keep their mind focused while you're maybe talking to them and trying to figure out what happened and what we can do next, which is what brings us to our Stop, Think, and Decide, which again I said was the major player in this. So this Stop, Think, and Decide module is the best part of our de-escalation packs. This is what has been the most helpful tool in guiding our clients and our children in the de-escalation process. You'll notice that on the back of these de-escalation cards, they have some little bit of information on the back of them. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of detailed on how you can use these, and this is actually for your student to read. You can read one as well, but they're really for your student to read, and even if they don't understand them, the time that it takes them, or even if they don't use them, the time that it takes them to read this, they've had those few minutes that they need to decompress. So the tool itself helps them to decompress. But your stop is, you're going to want to stop everything that you're doing. You're not going to say anything. You're not going to do anything further. So we're going to stop whatever behavior was going on and just halt. Then we're going to think about what we're feeling. Where are you feeling it at? Imagine yourself at a party. Imagine maybe a time you had with your family, a vacation. So this is visualization techniques. You can use this moment to count to 10. You can use this moment to do exercise, something that's going to have an influx of dopamine into their brains to help them to counteract that cortisol, whatever's going on, whatever caused that trigger, whatever happened to cause that undesired behavior. This is going to help them exchange that for the dopamine that they need to bring themselves back down and to recenter. And then your final step of this is going to be to decide. So in this stage, we're telling them that they have the power to control what happens next. This is your narrative. You write your story with this. So are we going to go to the right and make a good choice? Or are we going to go to the left and maybe make continue the behavior that we've been doing? It says on the card, now that you've been redirected and you've redirected your thoughts, let's make a decision. This decision is very important. Do you want to continue the behaviors that brought you here, or are you ready to take control of your day and move into the next thing? That's the best part of the DesPak, in my opinion. And I hope that these de-escalation packs help you. If they do, just keep in mind that we are a nonprofit organization, and so we do run off of grants and funding from the community. So visit us on the orangeribbonclub.org and help support us so we can give more de-escalation packs just like these to schools and families in need. Thanks so much, and have a great rest of your day.